Green tea can benefit your skin both when you drink it and when you apply topically products containing the ingredient. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, specifically ones called EGCGs, which protect the skin from inflammation and skin aging and calm skin prone to redness. Acne is a sign of inflammation in the skin, so using a skincare product with the green tea in it will help to calm acne-prone skin, and all skin types may benefit from drinking tea or using green tea skincare products. If you don't want to spend money on a skincare product formulated with green tea, experiment by making your own mask. It's affordable and simple, requiring just 3 ingredients. Now, you can repair your skin at your home. All you need here is 1 teaspoon green tea, 2 teaspoons yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all ingredients well to form a smooth paste. For best results, always thoroughly cleanse your skin before applying a mask and be sure that you removed all makeup. Apply it to your face, neck and chest area with a white brush. It takes about 5 minutes to completely dry. Leave on for about 10 minutes before washing off with warm water. This mask is also claimed to help clear up acne and just perfect for dull skin. Just try it and you won't regret it. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.